What are cryptocurrencies? Simply put, they're digital money. Unlike the cash in your wallet, cryptocurrencies exist only online. They can be sent anywhere in the world instantly. No banks, no waiting, no complicated paperwork required. Just you, your digital wallet, and the internet. But how does this digital money actually work? Let's break it down in simple terms. Cryptocurrencies work using something called blockchain. Think of it as a digital ledger. Instead of one bank keeping track of transactions, thousands of computers around the world maintain this record. These computers are called miners. They solve complex math problems to verify transactions. When they solve a problem, they add a new block to the chain, and they get rewarded with cryptocurrency. This system makes cryptocurrency secure and trustworthy, because changing one record would require changing thousands of computers simultaneously, which is virtually impossible. Now let's talk about the most popular cryptocurrencies. First up is Bitcoin, the original and most famous cryptocurrency. Created in 2009, it's like digital gold. Next is Ethereum, which is more than just money. It can run smart contracts and applications. Think of it as a computer that runs on blockchain. And then there's Dogecoin. Started as a joke based on a meme, but gained a huge following. These three represent different aspects of the crypto world, but there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies out there, which brings us to the big question everyone asks. Can you make money with crypto? The short answer is yes. Some people have made fortunes. Early Bitcoin investors who held on became millionaires. But here's the catch. Crypto is extremely volatile. Prices can swing wildly in a single day. You could lose your entire investment just as easily as you could double it. There are risks like market manipulation, regulatory changes, and security breaches. Plus, the space is full of scams and get-rich-quick schemes. So while the potential for profit exists, so does the potential for significant loss. The key is education, research, and never investing more than you can afford to lose. Remember, only invest what you can afford to lose. But what does the future hold for cryptocurrency? The future of crypto is full of possibilities. More companies and countries are starting to accept crypto. Some governments are even creating their own digital currencies. The technology keeps improving, becoming faster and more efficient. Crypto might become a normal part of our financial system, but nobody knows for sure what will happen. Crypto could revolutionize money, or it could face major challenges. What's certain is that innovation will continue. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more content,